Hi friends, Nisha Thakur here, and in this video I am going to show you how to identify and factor special product including a difference of squares, perfect squares and sum and difference of cubes. So here is the table. Summarize all the shortcuts that we can use to factor spatial products. So here difference of squares is this one, and if sum of squares we can just write prime because we can't factorize. Perfect squares, so a square plus 2ab plus b square, if we have in this form, so we can write a plus b whole square. If here a square minus 2ab plus b square, so here a minus b whole square, and sum of cubes is this and difference of cubes is this. So let's solve questions, but here remember one thing, as always when factoring special products, it is important to check for a GCF, which means greatest common factor first. So first we have to take common. Only after checking for a greatest common factor should we be using the special products. Okay, so here is the first question, and here x square. Square, it means it looks like a difference of squares, which is I think this one first. So let's try. We can do this x square, and 16 we can write 4 square. So yes, it is exactly a square minus b square. So we can write a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. So here a value x and b value 4. Okay. So here x plus 4 and x minus 4. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, here another question. 9a square, it means we have to write in square. So 3 square, it means 9, so we can write 3a whole square minus here 25, which is 5 square, so 5b whole square. This is also a difference of squares formula, a square minus b square form. So we can write in one bracket a minus b, a plus, in another bracket a plus b, like that. So 3a we can write minus or plus, so I'm writing plus first. 3a plus 5b and 3a minus 5b, right? That is the answer. Okay, here this is x square plus here is square, so we have to write this something in square form. So 6 square, 36 means 6 square, but sum of squares is prime, so we can't factorize and we can just write prime. And this is our answer. We can't factorize. Okay, here x to the power 4, but we don't have this type of formula here, right? Here only sum of difference of squares, perfect squares and sum or difference cubes, not fourth power. So maybe we can convert into this form, difference of squares. So let's try. X square, again square, x to the power 2 to the power 2, okay, minus here we can write 4 square. 16 means 4 square. So a square minus b square form here a value x square and b value 4. So we can factorize x square plus 4 and x square minus 4. Okay. So now again here we can apply difference of squares formula, but here this is prime because sum. So this one we can write as it is, we can't factorize, but here we can factorize because x square minus 2 square. You can skip this step if you want. You can write direct answer. So x plus 2 and x minus 2. Okay, this is the answer. Here 2 times we apply difference of squares formula. Okay, here 3 terms trinomial. So we can check this is perfect square formula, this one. Okay, so x square and last one 3 square, 9 we can write 3 square. Okay, so here we can imagine a value x and b value 3. So minus 2 x a value and b value 3. So this is when we calculate, this is minus 6x, and yes, exactly here minus 6x. So we can write um, in perfect square formula x minus 3 whole square. Okay, here just check this middle term, we get this one or not. So very simple questions. I hope you are getting. Okay, now this another example. For here also 3 terms trinomial, so we can square it. So 4x square we can write 2x whole square because 4 means 2 square. Okay, now here last term, this one. So 25 means 5 square, so 5y square. Okay, now this is a value, this is b value. So 2 a value 2x, b value 5y. Okay, let's check. We get 20xy comes 20xy or not. So 2 times 2 4, 4 times 5 20xy. So yes, it comes here 20xy. So we can write 2x plus 5y whole square. Okay. Now here cube, it means, and here negative. So maybe we can compare with difference of cubes formula. So m to the power 3 minus 27, it means 3 to the power 3. Okay, so what is our formula? This one, a cube minus b cube. So a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This one, last formula. So m minus 3. If here plus, so here plus also. Here minus, so minus. Now m square means a square plus ab means a is m and b is 3. So m3, but usually we write numbers first and then alphabet. So 3m plus b square. it means 3 square, or I can write direct 9. Okay, so this is the answer. Here most important thing, you have to know formula, you have to remember formula, and recognize which one you have to apply. Okay. Mm, okay. Okay. Now eighth question. Here looks like sum of cubes formula. So 125 is 5 cube. So 5p cube, this is 5 plus 8. 8 means 2 to the power 3. So 2r to the power 3. Okay, this is sum of cubes. So here 5p plus 2r and a square. A square is 5. Okay, I am writing one more step and then I can solve. Okay, here sorry, here negative. A value is 5p and b value 2r plus b square. So 2r square. If you write step by step, so your mistakes reduce. 5p plus 2r, and this is 25p square minus 10pr plus 4r square. Okay, and this is the answer. Okay, this is ninth question. I told you when we factoring special products, so it is very important to check their GCF, means can we take common something from here? So yes, 2, and here I can use square bracket. So 2 times 36, 72 x square minus 1. Okay, 36, it means 6 square. So 6x whole square minus 1 square. Okay, so this is difference of squares formula here we can apply. So in one bracket 6x plus 1 and another bracket 6x minus 1. Alright, so now next problem. Here can we take common something? 3 and y. Okay, 3 times what is okay, 3 times 16 x square. 3 times 16 is 48. 3 times 8 x plus 1. And now we get here trinomial. So maybe perfect square. So let's check this is perfect square or not. So 16 means 4 square and 1 square is 1 minus, okay, a value 4x, b value 1. So this is when we multiply negative 8x. So yes, we get negative 8x. It means we can write easily here 4x minus 1 whole square. Okay. Now 11th question. Here what should we take common? Yeah, both are even numbers, so we can take common 2. A to the power 4a, so we can take common a. B square, b to the power 5, so we can take b square. Okay, so here 64 a to the power 3 plus 27 a b to the power 3 here left. If you have any doubt here, you can ask me. Write on the comment box. Okay, 2ab square. Okay, it looks like cube, so we can convert into cube. 64 we can write 4 to the power 3, so 4a to the power 3 plus 27, it means 3 to the power 3, so 3b cube. And yes, we can here easily apply cube of sum of cubes. Okay, so here 2ab square, and a value here 4a and b value is 3b, a cube plus b cube. So a is 4a plus b, which is 3b, and a square, so 4a square minus ab 4a and b is 3b plus b square 3b square. Now our final step, 2ab square 4a plus 3b, and 4 square is 16, so 16a square minus 4 times 3 12 a b plus 3 square is 9 b square. Okay, so we solved 11 questions here. I hope you are getting how to solve factor with special products formula and how to apply, how to recognize. If you have any doubt, any queries, so please email me, or you can write on comment box. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel, Nisha Tutor. Okay, bye. Have a nice time.